Hey, we just wrapped up this Toyota Tundra Morimoto Evo XB headlight install. This is the latest and greatest from Morimoto, and I love the look of them. They're super bright. This customer opted for the white DRL and the sequential amber turn signals. I wanted to show you guys the difference here. So on my right-hand side, this is the standard XB Evo right out of the box. And over here on the left-hand side, this is with the Supercharged driver. Now, for about 180 bucks, you can purchase the Supercharged driver. They install in the back of the light housing, and you're gonna get about 30% more lighting out of the low beam. Turn those high beams on for me, and 50% more out of the high beam. Extremely bright. Even in this somewhat lit building, you can see how much more intense this is. Now, these are not DOT approved, so you gotta be careful if you're gonna be running these on the street. But if you're looking for maximum power and output, pick up a set of those Supercharged drivers. They have them for all the new XB Evo series lights. Look totally badass and maximum performance.